In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix this site can't be reached ERR connection reset error in Google Chrome. So let's get started. So first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that there is no proxy enabled in our LAN. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Internet Options. Click on that under the best match. Now here in the Internet Properties window, click on the Connections tab. Now here you can find Local Area Network LAN Settings. Click on LAN Settings. And here you can find the option Automatically Detect Settings. Make sure this is checked. And use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure this is unchecked. So do not check this option and click on OK and then click on OK again. For the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Click on Control Panel item. Locate your Wi-Fi and then you need to make a right click and then select Properties. Now here in the Wi-Fi Properties window, we need to locate the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and click on Properties. Now here you will find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. For the preferred DNS server, type in here 1.1.1.1. And for the alternate, you should type in here 1.0.0.1. You can also use the Google's DNS. For the preferred DNS server, you can type 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. And click on OK and then close this windows. Then we can run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now here you just need to simply follow me for the commands that we need to run. ipconfig /release. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig /flushdns. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig /renew. Hit enter. And for the last command, netsh winsock reset. Hit enter. Now type exit. Hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart the window. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue. This site can't be reached in Google Chrome. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.